Good morning, class. Let's take a look at this problem here. We have a programmer who wants to develop a new software system, and he is he's planning for the operating system he will use. He'll need to estimate the percentage of computers that use the new operating system. How many computers must be surveyed in order to be 95% confident that his estimate is in error by no more than 1 percentage point? Complete parts A through C. Assume that nothing is known about the percentage of computers with new operating systems. So in order to do this, we're going to use StatCrunch. Here it is right here. And on part A, there is no assumption made by the percentage about the percentage of new computers. So that means that the p-value, the probability, because this is all based on the binomial, this sample size calculation, will be assumed to be 0.5. If we do not know what the percentage is, then our best estimate is to assume 0.5. So let's go to stat, proportion stat, one sample, power, and sample size. Click on confidence interval width, and this is where I'm going to be working. 95% confidence, target proportion is 0.5. Now let's look at the width. This is where folks get all mixed up. Look at what it says here. It says here the estimate in error by no more than 1 percentage point. So what does that mean? It means plus 1% and minus 1%. So the entire width will be 0.02. Hit compute, and there's my answer. Okay, 9604. Now, on the second part of the problem, they say, now, assume that 92% of the computers have the new operating system. So repeat this process, but change 0.5 to 0.92. I'm going to go ahead and change this back to 0.02 and hit compute. And as you can see, the sample size drops dramatically. Okay? Why? Because if I have more information, i.e. the percentage of computers with new operating systems, then I require fewer samples to bear out 95% confidence. Also note, once again, that the width is within or no more than 1 percentage. That means plus 1%, minus 1% for a total width of 0.02. So remember that this is not the error value here. This is the width of the error. Okay? It's asking you for different things. And then finally for part C, does the additional survey information have an effect on the sample size? We've already addressed that. The answer is clearly C, okay, based on the explanation that I just provided. Thank you.